Evening, welcome to another video in the Artful Coder series. Tonight I'm going to show you how to install PHP 8.3 with IIS. Now it's highly recommended that you check out my other video, install PHP 8.2 with IIS, because that will show you the installing of IIS as well and how to configure PHP with IIS. So today what I'm going to show you is just the 8.3 variant, which should be a fairly quick video because the way I've set PHP up on my laptop is so I can swap it out and it won't cause any problems. So what you want to do is go to windows.php.net/downloads. You've got the source code, non-thread safe is fine, so go and download that. That will take some time, so just pause the video and we'll rejoin when it's downloaded. Right, that's downloaded. So if we go to our downloads folder, there it is. So what you're going to want to do is we'll just extract it in its entirety first. Let's just extract all. There we go, to that folder. And this will just extract the core files for PHP. So this is like the program files that runs PHP effectively. So there you go, you've got all of that there. So we've got all of those bits there. So that's all of our PHP files. So what we're going to do is Control A, Control C, go to this PC, and in the previous videos I put PHP on the root of the computer. Again, you could put this on a secondary drive however you want to. So we're just going to call it PHP 8.3. We'll just paste all those files in there that are copied. By the way, you can Control A, Control C and Control P to paste it. So what we're going to do now is it's not being used, or it might be in IIS. We'll just rename this to 7.4. So let's go PHP 7.4. Okay, then all we're going to do is rename this folder to PHP. And in one of the other videos, I'll show you how to easily swap out PHP on your computer or server. If you do it in this way, you can literally, you may have to stop some worker processes, but it is a quick way of doing it. So what we need to do now is see if it's actually worked. So let's go to have site. Let's see what it does. It should give it a second. It always does that. Website. Give it a second. Right, so why is that not working? Give it a second. Let's go check IIS. Let's go. Oh, I think I know why. So let's just check it's the right site. Okay, so that's working. So we'll just give it a restart. Check that. And do that again. Okay, so it's not working, so let's have a look. Do some live debugging to see if we can work out what's going on with this. So let's take a look at our install. It works to 7.4 and 8.2. So if we just rename this here, rename, and we just want to call that .any. So let's just see if a quick change in that will actually make it do that. Okay, that's not worked. So what else could be causing this? So it's definitely Kev site. So let's just do explore. Okay, so that's fine. So it's got the Kev site there. Let's just check it's doing HTTP. Guess we don't have a certificate. There you go. Right, so simple things like it will try and redirect on secure traffic. So you can see from there that we now have 8.3.2 installed, which is fantastic news. So the only other thing that you do need to do is check you've got your INI set up, and obviously in your INI you'll have lots of options on what to enable, etc., and things like that. So let's go and have a look at that. So down here, somewhere under extensions, there you go, you can enable curl, you can do FTP, graphics support, multi-byte strings, and PDO for databases. So if you're going to do a database application, you want to just save that. and reload it, and just give it a reload. And again, anything like that, it's just up to you to configure this how you want it effectively. So that is it. So that is effectively all there is to doing it. And again, please watch my previous videos on how I show you how to set up IIS and PHP 8.2 with IIS, because that shows you how you have to have PHP to the path, environment variables, how to configure it with inside of IIS. But this way I quite like, because it means if I got a new version, site temporary goes down, you can even write stuff a batch file to do it. And now I've got previous versions, and that's 8.3. So again, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video.